Brandon here with Slingmods.com, introducing our show chrome glove box liner for the Polaris Slingshot. This organizer is constructed from black marine grade vinyl and comes in a variety of different stitch color options to complement your Slingshot's color profile, and features a large storage compartment in the center, a storage pocket to the right with a semi-rigid wall construction, a mesh pocket in the rear, as well as a zippered storage pouch to the left. Now, the underbelly of the organizer has a soft felt liner and features 4 Velcro style hook and loop adhesive strips to securely mount the organizer in place in just a few minutes. Once installed, you can see that the organizer perfectly contours to the shape of the glove box and allows you to keep things organized while providing you with a luxury-like finish. So to install, start by test fitting the liner so that you can see how it will align and so that you can see where the adhesive strips will be adhered to. Next, use an alcohol wipe to clean the same area in the glove box of where those adhesive strips will be going. Then, once that's dry, peel off the protective backing tape from the Velcro strips. Align the glove box organizer so that it's centered in the glove box. And then press down firmly on those adhesive strips to secure it in place. So if you'd like to take your glove box from this to this, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a glove box organizer for your sling. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.